If you want to know how you can make extra money every month, then keep watching. If we haven't met yet, hi, my name is Asia. I'm an entrepreneur and content creator, and I teach everyday people how to make money online. If you haven't looked into it yet, I definitely suggest you start selling digital products because it has a zero startup cost and everything you make is 100% profit. Step one of selling digital products is figuring out what your digital product is. That's why I'm going to give you 5 digital product ideas so then you have no reason to keep not starting your journey. One idea is to create an empowerment guide for female entrepreneurs. You can create an ebook that offers success stories, tips, and practical advice to young women trying to start their business. Idea number 2 is to create a wellness and self-care handbook. You can give out info about nutrition, fitness, stress management, mental health, anything literally. Digital product number 3 is a fashion and style guide. I know there's a lot of you girlies out there who can dress, and you can use this knowledge to make money. You can put people onto the latest fashion trends, give out styling tips, and give people the wardrobe essentials. Digital product idea number 4 is a relationship and communication toolkit. You can create an ebook that offers guidance on healthy communication skills, how to foster a healthy relationship. Digital product idea number 5 is a financial planner. Girl, if you are good with your finances, help a sister out. You could talk about budgeting, investing, saving, all of that. If you don't like any of those ideas and you want to hear some more, you could click the link in my bio to get my free guide that tells you 101 digital product ideas that are selling like crazy. If you did like one of the ideas I just mentioned and you know that's what you want to sell, then comment Digital Boss down below so I can send you the official link to get started on your digital products journey. Like and follow for more tips.